Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to convert audio files in Audacity using the latest Audacity interface in 2026. Audacity makes it easy to convert audio files from one format to another, such as WAV, MP3, OGG, or other supported audio formats. After opening Audacity, the first step is to import the audio file that you want to convert. The audio will appear as a waveform on the timeline. Once the file is loaded, you can review the audio and make sure it is ready for export. To convert the file, go to the File menu and choose Export Audio. Audacity allows you to save the audio in different file formats depending on your needs. You can choose MP3 if you want a smaller file size, or WAV if you want higher audio quality. You can also select the destination folder and choose a new file name before saving the converted file. After selecting the format, Audacity will export the audio and create a new file in the format you selected. The original audio file will remain unchanged, and the converted version will be saved separately. This method is useful for creating audio files for YouTube videos, podcasts, presentations, music projects, and many other purposes. Audacity is a simple and reliable tool for converting audio files quickly and easily. That's how you can convert audio files in Audacity in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.